Hello everyone and welcome back to another update. The purpose of this follow-up video is I went ahead and actually created a pre-built version where on my end I already built the rasterizer and the renderer for you. So all you have to do is unzip this file here. You have this folder already pre-built for you, and all you have to do is come in here and run this right here, ready to go. I have uploaded that. I have put a link here for the support page. And under here I have posted solutions. And if you haven't watched this video, I walked through how you install the build tools for Microsoft and a security patch for this video. To download this zip file here that I have already created, you can download it here. It's 1.7 gigabytes. Alright, this next part, let's say you already downloaded the zip file. I'm going to show you how to run the virtual environment inside this folder. Let me go ahead and finish this right here. Close this out. Let me go in back CD. I'm using virtual environments, deactivate. I should be able to go to scripts / deactivate. Alright, cool. I'm using virtual environment here. So let's say you unzip this folder here. Just type in CMD right on the top and you get a blank command prompt here. In that blank command prompt, you want to go ahead and run what is called the scripts / activate. So active and tab activate. What that does, it goes into this folder here and runs this bat file here to create the actual virtual environment. And you know you're in a virtual environment when this here pops up the name of the project. At that point, you just want to go CD into that folder. This is the main folder, so to visualize that, that's going to be in this folder. And we want to just run this right here, the gradual app. So you just type in Python, gradual app, and then run. Oh, not the 7-zip. Let me go here. .py. The py version. It's because I zipped the modded version. I'll touch on that in just a second. Let's just wait until this starts up again. Okay, it finished starting up. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Now, this gradual app.py, I'm running the modded version, which I have posted it here under this page under posted solutions. It says gradual app modded. My modded version, all it does is shows the actual history of what you have previously created, and when you click, you could actually preview it in here without having to load it in Blender. Actually see the result here before you actually load it into your Blender app. For some reason, it just created a shape here for the Hugging Face logo. So that's the modded version. So if you download the zip file, it's just going to be the normal version. If you want this modded version, just go here, post the solutions, download this, and just replace that file in that folder. This next part of the video is a little bit more advanced for those that want to learn how to create virtual environments. There's been cases, and I've read it in the comments, where people have the latest version of Python already installed, and they don't want to uninstall this version to install a older version, because that would break some of their projects that they already have created on their computer with either other tools like Comfy UI, for example. In that case, you want to definitely use virtual environments. The way that works, you would download the older version, you would create a folder like Pi version, and not install it without the path, just all the files without adding it to the path into a specific folder. For more details on how to learn how to do that, I highly recommend watching this video right here. Installing Python correctly. You must watch this video before installing Python. He gives you a very good explanation on how to use virtual environments. If you're still here watching and you're still curious on how I built this from scratch with the updated commands, I'm going to show you those actual commands right now. Right here, I have pulled them up and I'll walk you through that. I'm not going to go and build this again, but I'll walk you through it. So you create a folder, Python -m make venv, and then the name of your project. Then I went ahead and installed piptorch with the CUDA 12.4 version here. Then I upgraded my pip and I installed these packages that are this Hunyuan 3D. For some reason, these are not mentioned down here. All these packages are required for it to run properly, and obviously in my pre-built I have already done that for you. But if you're curious and you just want to do it yourself, I put them in this order. You could just pause the video, or I'll put them in these commands in the description. So I ran the fastapi, uvicorn, trimesh, pillow, diffusers, transformer, sentence piece. Then you run the requirements .txt. Then you upgrade the or install gradual. It's going to prompt you to upgrade, but I don't recommend you upgrade because that will break the project. Then you want to activate the scripts folder, and obviously to deactivate, you use the deactivate command inside the script folder. In the built version, when you git clone this repository here, you're going to have to run the Python gradual text to 3D. Versus if you downloaded the modded version that I posted on the support page, all you have to do is run Python gradual underscore app, and it automatically puts this flag here for you. So that was the extra bonus part for those curious on how I got this folder created. Obviously, you have to have the Microsoft build tools because that's where a lot of people are having trouble with this portion here, creating these rasterizers and renderer. So that's the end of this video. Leave your questions in the comments. Again, thank you for all the likes and the views, and I'll see you in the next video.